TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine leads the way in industries like oil and gas, aerospace engineering, nuclear power, food and beverage production, pharmaceuticals, and chemical processing. Let's explore its versatility in the food and beverage industry. In the food sector, maintaining hygienic production pipelines is critical. The TATE welding machine is designed to create smooth, sanitary welds that prevent bacterial growth, ensuring pipelines comply with global food safety regulations like FDA and HACCP. Whether used in dairy processing, beverage production, or food packaging facilities, the TATE machine's automated technology guarantees consistent weld quality, reducing downtime and maximizing operational efficiency. Its adaptability to various pipe sizes and materials makes it an ideal solution for high-demand environments. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, offering customizable OEM and ODM solutions. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share our video. Contact info